You gonna be all right?
Yes, can we work this deal?
I'm worried about you.
Why?
Work
Do you
what
know how
deal?
fast I sold the car yesterday?
Because of espresso.
Because of espresso. They were talking so slow. Those customers were. At least it felt like it.
By the way, how did you get that deal? Because there might be a new snake in town, is what I'm hearing.
They walked in, man.
They walked in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? What was it now?
Apparently they had an appointment with Aaron.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know about that. Remember when I asked you to merge those leads yesterday and you said there wasn't that other lead?
What do you mean?
That? Remember yesterday when they came in?
Yeah.
And I was like, hey, there's 2 open leads. Remember that?
Yeah, but there wasn't.
But there was. And I told you there was. Remember I told you it was a negative opportunity?
That doesn't make
I can
sense.
prove it. I can prove it.
How? Did you take a picture?
I have a negative opportunity on my desk right now.
What are we even talking about? Are you speaking English?
I'm
Negative opportunity?
I'm telling you.
How can there be a negative
I
opportunity?
don't know. This is what I'm asking for your help.
I was not expecting this conversation. Well, if there was another opportunity, was Aaron attached to it? Did he have notes in the CRM?
All I saw was Amy. And then, so I hit update selected, and it literally created a negative opportunity. I shit you not.
What does that even mean?
I don't know, Doc. I don't know.
My God. Okay.